The bat doesn't go there. The ball goes there. This is the bat, and this is the ball. Only the ball goes. Now here, hit it. All right.
Yay. What do you think, Daddy?
I think we need to teach him how to swing first. He gets the idea that he hits it with it. Yeah. Ready, buddy? Hold the bat like here. Put this hand on top, and then you go. Oh, that was a strikeout. I hit the pole.
Watch your head, Brady.
That's right. That's where the ball goes. Now hit it.
The bat's a little too big. Maybe we have a smaller bat? I think there's one inside.
I actually think the bat's fine. He just needs to learn how to hold it. So, ready? Here. Ready?
Whoa.
This is how you hit it. Come here. Stand over here.
Stand with Daddy.
Stand over here. And you hold this hand on the bottom. This hand goes up top, right? And then what you do is you just go like this. Look at the ball.
Go.
That's it. You just swing.
Ta-da! Hey, what are you doing? Did it go underneath?
That was funny, Brady. That was funny.
Did it go underneath?
Oh, it's way underneath.
Uh-oh, what are we going to do? Here, I have this pole over here.
That's not going to reach, actually.
Really? This is not going to reach?
We're trying. You can't get in there.
Brady, no.
No.
Silly man.
Come here.
No.
Back up. Back it up, champ.
Oh, my dead plant is in this video.
Can I have that thing?
Oh, sure. I'm sorry.
This is funny to you.
Funny.
Yeah.
Brady, is it funny? Say, Daddy, good luck getting it. Daddy. Brady, are you eating the bat? Can you look at the camera and say hi?
Hi.
Look at the camera. Camera.
Hi, you.
How are you? Good morning. Did you get it? Can we get the ball? Where'd it go? Up. Daddy got it. Yay.
Ready? Come over here. Hold the bat like this. Okay. Now you swing and try to hit the ball. Okay? Just hold the bat. You got it. Hold it. And you go. That's it. You'll be hitting it by next weekend.
Watch the tree, honey. Good job at balancing the ball.
Hold the bat.
Uh-oh. Try again. Okay, watch your head. Up, there it goes. All right, bye-bye, ball. Daddy's going to get it. Can you say bye-bye to camera?
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera. Blow kiss. Mwah.